You want some love? Hello? You want some love? Right. Okay. You are very friendly, kitty. Where's your face? Friendly kitty. Friendly, friendly, friendly. You are so kind. Well, nice to meet you, Mr. Kitty. Hey, don't eat my hand. Don't eat my hand. You are so pretty. Oh, look at you. Look at you, so pretty. Yeah, Noma's gonna love it. Yeah, right? I have some kids that would love you. Maybe they want to walk here and see if you're around. Yeah, since you're so friendly. Yeah, what? You don't like cameras? You don't like the camera? Let's stop the camera then.